Hey friends, I'm Jennifer. Welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be talking to you about all the different finds that I got from Dollar Tree. I did not realize just how much Christmas decor that Dollar Tree carries. I went to the regular Dollar Tree and the Dollar Tree Family Dollar, and I found some amazing finds. So I'm going to share that with you. First thing I ran across was this Christmas glitter tree. Okay, these are so beautiful. I mean, the only thing is the glitter does come off them, but I mean, I think it's going to be great just to put on my shelf. I've decorated a lot with red, white. I like the traditional, like the red and green Christmas colors. So these are just so cute. I mean, even for a table setting, and I think these would be perfect. So they are plastic in the inside. They have like a little iron rod in the middle holding it shape, but gorgeous. Next, I found these Elf on the Shelf countdowns. So this is a holiday countdown calendar. These were $1.25, so it has 24 days, 24 chocolates. So I don't know how the chocolates taste because I have not tried one yet, but on the front they have the days are numbered. It's not in order, so it's very random. It's like 1, 3, 4, like, so I don't know why it's like that, why it's not just, but whatever. I mean, it's cute. My kids are gonna enjoy it, I'm sure. And there's a little activity on the back for them to do. So I mean, we never had an advent calendar. I always said I wanted to make one, like make one with cookies. I haven't got to do that yet. But I mean, this is a good start for an advent calendar, I think. Okay, so I found this cute Santa mailbox. I mean, now this is precious. It has a little slot opening, so you can have the kids put letters in here. It has a little opening where you can take the letters out. I mean, even if you don't really put letters in here, I think just to have this sitting somewhere is just a cute idea. Now, in my neighborhood, there is like a real big red mailbox that people put outside their house, and the kids can drop off letters, and I think it's really cute because they even get a letter back. But you can do this at home. You can have your kids put a letter in and then have Santa send them a letter back. Okay, let's talk about these lanterns. I found lanterns in different colors. I think they had green, they had black, and I mean, these were cute. They were $5 and they light up. You can see this. It has a cute little you know, cones on the front with your bow, and the batteries go in the bottom. It takes 3 AAA batteries. Now let's see, I didn't put batteries in this one yet, but let's see, I have it in this one. The candle on the inside, it lights up. This is so cute. I don't know if you can see how it's lighting up on camera really good, but this is just gonna be so cute, and I couldn't pass these up. $5. And I don't think I told you the price of the trees, but these glitter trees, they were $5 as well. Let's get into table setting, okay? So I found placemats, okay? The placemats were $3. They come 2 in a pack. And I mean, I think the color red is so pretty. They also had gold, and I think I saw green too, but there were just a lot of reds. So I don't know if they still have these. I know I was talking to an employee there, and they told me right when you see something, once they put it out, you need to hurry up and grab it because they don't know if they're going to get that item back in stock. And with Thanksgiving coming up, you really have to jump on it and go there now so you can see if you can snag some of these amazing products. Okay, now I have a DIY project that I want to try, and it's going to require some elves. Found these elves. Dollar Tree, $1.25. Goodness, can we talk about they have the brown elves? I mean, I just love that they had these. So the first time I went, they did not have the brown elves, and I love representation. So I was kind of sad that they didn't have it, but I waited about 2 days and I went back because they still had all their Christmas boxes out, and they put these out, and I just had to grab them. So I can't wait to do my DIY project with them, and I'm going to share that with you guys. So make sure you are subscribed to the channel so you can see what I make with these guys. Look how adorable. Okay, Christmas trees. Now I know most of my decor is like red and green, But in my house, I do have gold accents with different little table settings that I put. And when I saw this gold tree with the jewels, I was like, okay, this is it. Like, Family Dollar, okay. But anyway, these are so cute. And I mean, like, it doesn't look like something you would get at Dollar Tree. It's really pretty. This tree as well. These trees, they were $5. So I mean, this is very cute tabletop decor. I mean, if you are doing a nice table setting, just decorating your bookshelf, gorgeous. Glitter, the glitter does come off on these. So you will have glitter hands. You're gonna have glitter because I have glitter on my table right now. But very, very cute. So I had to snag these. And I kind of wish I would have bought 2 of these because they're just so cute. Another gold Christmas tree. I couldn't help myself. It was so cute. And I said, you know what? If I don't want to use it, then I can just like give it to my mom and have her set it up in her house or something. But anyway, I mean, they had these again in different colors. If you don't want to decorate just gold, then they had it in silver. So, and we have some glitter going on. So some people aren't crazy about glitter, which I'm not crazy about all the glitter that comes off, but I'm sure it's something I could spray to seal it on there. So yes, another find. There were also signs. They had lots of different signs. I decided to get this one because I figured I can put my gold and silver trees around this sign somewhere in my house. But I mean, they said all kinds of things. I got the one that says hope. They had ones that said joy, just different sayings. And it just sits up by itself. This is how it looks on the back. And again, this was $5. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope that you go to your Family Dollar, Dollar Tree, and that you can find all these amazing finds plus more, because sometimes they set things out at different times when you go there, especially if they have boxes in the aisle, which is like all the time. Just check back, you know, daily if you want to see if something else comes in. But really, they started putting this stuff out, I want to say probably I started noticing it in October. I started noticing some Christmas items coming out. So I mean, I got more stuff than what I thought I got. So I hope my husband doesn't like watch this video all the way through, because he's gonna be like, why are you buying all this stuff? But anyway, I'm gonna find somewhere to put all of this. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Go ahead on and hit that subscribe button so you can see how I decorate with these items and what DIY projects I make with them. Happy holidays!